Good morning kids. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Myself Pragya from Shivjyoti Educational Group, Kota. Kids, in the previous class, we learned about the uppercase letter X. And now today we are going to learn how to trace and write uppercase letter Y on dot. Y says year. Y says year. As you can see, I have drawn one picture over here. Y for yacht. Y for yacht. And on the other side, it's yak. Y for yak. Y for yak. So, now I'll show you some objects related to the uppercase letter Y. See, this is a triangle, and what is the color of triangle? It's yellow. Y for yellow. Y for yellow. Y for yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. And Y for yarn. Y for yarn. So, let's draw uppercase letter Y in air. So, raise your hand and draw small slanting line and one big slanting line like this. Uppercase letter Y. Now, kids, take out your English workbook 1 and open page number 7 to 72. Parents are requested to mention the date and classwork at the top. So, kids, as you can see, there are two pictures, Y for yak and Y for yacht. So, fill the color in both the pictures very beautifully like this. Now, kids, sharpen your crayon and start tracing with me. Put your crayon here and write uppercase letter Y. So, draw slanting line and one big slanting line like this. Uppercase letter Y. Let's do it again. Put your crayon here, draw small slanting line and one big slanting line like this. Uppercase letter Y. Now let's do it one more time. Put your crayon here, draw small slanting line, one big slanting line, uppercase letter Y. And now we will write uppercase letter Y on dots. So put your crayon here on the dot and draw small slanting line. Now put your crayon here and draw a big slanting line like this. Uppercase letter Y. Let's do it again. Small slanting line and big slanting line. Uppercase letter Y. So, kids, write it very slowly and do it neatly. Slanting line and big slanting line like this. Uppercase letter Y. Now, let's do it again. Put your crayon here and draw slanting line and big slanting line. Uppercase letter Y. Now, let's do it again. Put your crayon here. Small slanting line and big slanting line. Uppercase letter Y. Now, let's do it one last time. Put your crayon here and draw slanting line and one big slanting line. Uppercase letter Y. So, kids, like this, complete the pages 73 and 75 in your English workbook 1. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.